this video planned already, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead since I could not sleep and shoot this video.
There comes a time in every man's life.
By the way, the nail art pen that I'm going to be using, I bought it from Dollar Tree. It's $1. But it has the instruction at the back, so like anybody can use it, can do it. This is the first coat, okay? And the reason why I left the bottom parts out is because I don't want it to be too thick. I kind of thought it would be too thick if I apply the second coat on that part. So now that I'm going to apply the second coat, I will now put it from there upward, then that place will be thin, if you get what I mean. Now that we are done with the second coat, I'm going to go ahead and clean up all my mess. Like you see, like look at this one, it's like out of the way. So we're just going to go ahead. I pour a little bit of the nail polish remover into this cup. Then I'm going to be using this brush, dip it into it, and just let's stitch her. Next time I'll clean as I apply it, so it will be a lot more easier for me to. So I'll go ahead and do another one because I didn't know my camera stopped while I was doing the first one. I just noticed, so I'll do the top part.